Alright, so today I'll be changing housing in this fan. As you can see, the housing in this fan, it mash up, right? So it so happened that the fan did fall long and it had a great fall and mash up. That's what I can see for now. So I'll be changing the housing and I'll be putting on this housing. Right, so this is the replacement. So before I start that, let me show you it working. Right, so it's working. It's just missing a housing. So I will unscrew this neck piece. You got the control. The capacitor. Pull out the wires from the control. There's that. And then the capacitor. Alright, so that out. I'll disconnect this part. Pull out this. Alright, so it has 4 screws that hold the housing. Remove that. So this is the back side, brass side. Alright, so inspect the motor, make sure everything is in good condition. Alright, looking good, no dust whatsoever, no burn. Alright. So this is the replacement. I'll put some oil. Put some machine oil. Before I put on this, I will transfer this. Yes, I will transfer this neck so that's it. Now we're gonna transfer this part. So you transfer this part in the back. Make sure it's secure tight. Alright, so next step is the motor. Alright, so now this part will be a bit tricky sometimes. So you gotta get all this together, right? Yeah, so you gotta get all this together. And slide it in, but before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil inside here. Alright. Yeah, so this is the tricky part. You gotta slide in this 4 wires in this little hole here, right? Right in this hole here. So it can be tricky sometimes. Sometimes it takes like a few minutes, sometimes it takes less than a minute. Right, so all the 4 wires pass. Now this coming through right here. Alright, so we've probably 4 screws now. Whenever I put on 4 screws, make sure I don't tighten one all the way in. Take your time and send them one by one, but not all the way in. Now the reason why you don't send one screw all the way in is because you don't want to tighten one side and the other 3 sides in that level or even. So you have to make sure everything is even. And when everything is even, then you tighten all the 4 screws together. Alright, so now pass the power cord through this holder. Right, and now we will install the switch, the control knobs. Right, so we have 4 wires. Now the red wire is the high speed, the brown wire is the medium speed, and the black wire is the lowest speed. If you're not sure, it have it labeled on the control knob. Just look and you can see the number out. Right, just look right here and you see the number out. So and the L is for live. So you put it right inside here. Number 2, number 3. Right, so then you pass the wire. Make sure everything's secure. Now the capacitor, it have one side have 2 holes, one side have 1 hole, right? So this side with the 1 hole is for the white, wire, and the other side with 2 holes is for the black wire. Screw up that in. So, and the live wire will go on the control, and the neutral will come with the white wire for the fan. So let's grab this part. And then I plug down the C. Okay. Right, so everything done secure, done hook up. Now put on the back piece cover. Okay, so everything hook up correct and everything is working. So now you know how to change a housing on a Lasko fan. When the housing mash up, you know how to change a housing in a Lasko fan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave our comments below. Until next time, good luck with your repairs.